Arrow's GT300 heavy-duty glue gun is the most powerful glue gun offered by Arrow Fastener. Arrow is proud to say that the GT300 was awarded the Best Tool Award in the glue gun category for 2020 by Popular Mechanics magazine. The GT300 is durable and provides the precision necessary for both professional and DIY projects. With 300 watts of power, this glue gun can heat up in no time. This tool is ergonomically designed for convenience and control. It's lightweight and has a full-size trigger. The GT300 offers the ultimate in glue control, with a combination of its drip-resistant nozzle and precision glue control adjustment knob. It's easy to place small dots or straight lines with accuracy. The GT300 comes with a removable sturdy base and wing stands. This prevents the chance of glue backflow or mishaps when placing the tool down during application. The extended nose design helps with hard-to-reach corners or when a little extra reach is needed in tight work areas. The GT300 is perfect for everything, from intricate upholstery projects to large general home repair. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.